We're here at Bethany Lakes, our local pond. It's a little windy. Taking out the 3-weight and a olive near deer. And we're just gonna see what we can catch here at the local pond. Oh wow, he's close. Wow, very close. Got it right in front of his face right now. Let's see if he'll go for it. No, he's not interested. Oh, I think I see one. Yeah, sitting in the bed. Here he comes. He looked at it. Yeah, there's one on the bed. Let's see if I can get him to swipe it. No, could just barely see him. I think he swiped at it, or maybe a little active. So let's see if I can get a better angle on it. I can see him with my polarized glasses, and he's just kind of nosing at it, but he really isn't committed to it. No, come on. Let's see ya. Yeah, he's still there. Holy cow. I got him. Yeah, I got him. He just barely took it. Barely took it. Using a little 3-pound or 4-pound test, 3-weight. And he just barely took it. All right, let me see if I can get him in. All right, let's just bank him. All right, he just barely got it. 4-pound test. He just kind of was hanging out there in the bed. He's one of the bigger ones here. All right, not bad. All right, so bass on bed, got him on the olive near deer, size 10 streamer, right there. And let's see if we can find another one out here, maybe lurking about. Normally I use a bigger fly, but today I just wanted to come out with a little size 10er and just see what happens. So let's go get this guy back in the water. All right, off he goes. Here I'm just kind of blind casting this little size 10 streamer. In fact, here's a nice open area to try casting. Let's see if maybe I can get something passing by who's interested. Let's see what we got here. Let's take it a little bit further. Just kind of drag the fly slowly. Watching for any strike. Let's go further out. This is a pretty heavily pressured pond. Oh, no, I think that was some junk. There's the hit. All right, I saw that one. Saw a little V-weight come up. Let's see, I think he's a bluegill. Yeah, nice little bluegill. All right, cool stuff. Little bluegill, blue golly. This one's got some color on them, so maybe they're starting to build their beds. Right there. Cool. Nice. Okay. That usually means if you catch a bluegill in one spot, there may be more bluegill in that spot. It might be a whole nest of them maybe. So, yep, there's a hit. So, might as well go cast back to that spot and see if there's more lurking about, guarding their nest or building their beds and whatnot. Okay. And a little bit further out, had a little slight tap on it. So there is something else. Oh shoot! I think I grabbed onto something. Yeah. Let's try it again. So usually, yep, there we go. Usually if there's one, you'll usually find more. So there may be like a whole bed of them here. So we know there's at least 2 now. And I'm doing catch and release, so no biggie there. These guys will still be back here. Alright, so lesson learned from past experience is you catch a bluegill, especially this time of year, he may be over there with a whole bunch of other bluegills. So catch one, cast again to that spot or in that area and see if there's more lurking about. So let's see if they'll do it again. Okay, so I just basically cast same spot, just a little bit more to the left, and dragging it slowly through, and we'll see if there's another one that wants to play. Okay, let's go off to a little bit more to the right. Okay, there's a hit. Felt a slight tap, another tap. Okay, they're here. Found a bed. All right, found the bed between this big tree and that tree in this little cove. All right, and just work it slowly. Watch for a pickup. It's like the nudge. You'll feel a little nudge. At times I'll just hit it hard. Sometimes you'll see that V weight come up right behind it as you're bringing it through. And let's see if I can get one more here before I move on. There's a hit. So he's got 2 hits so far, 2 taps. Light taps though. Maybe they're little ones. Let's pop this guy a little bit further out and drag it in. Okay, let's see if another guy wants to play. Okay. Drag it slowly. No, not that time. Let's go back out. All right, let's move on a little bit. There's a spot here I like. Oh, there's the hit. Yep. Okay. All right, so 3 out of this spot. Okay, so good to know. We got bluegill hanging out. All right, let's get this guy in. All right. Okay. All right, so that's the 3rd bluegill this round. Not bad at all. Fun stuff. All right, this is about the area where the bluegill were that I just caught. So let's try this direction and see. I think I see a turtle. Yeah, okay. Saw a turtle, but also saw something swipe. Yeah, there we go. All right, good stuff. Bluegill pond fly fishing on a nice Sunday, cool Sunday. Looking for that line movement. There's a hit. Tapped it, pulled the line, but really didn't commit. That one did. That one kind of paused. Line paused instead of getting hit hard, and that's when I set the hook. So let's get this guy in. He's a little bit bigger. This one has some shoulders on him. Yeah, he's got a little shoulder on him. Nice. All right, they're starting to get their color, so it's that time of year for a little funsy for the little fishy. Okay. Oh, there he goes. Yep. Little fingerling in the shallows. Bethany Flats. Well, it's the back pond. Oh, he's off. All right. He got away. See if something else is kind of lurking in the area. There's a nice shady spot here. There he goes. Yeah, there's another one. Maybe that was that other one. The other small fingerling that was chasing it earlier. Okay. All right. Basilito. Not bad. All right. Okay. Let's go and try it again. There's 2 bass lurking, but they're not on beds. They're just kind of cruising about in the green stuff. Not sure if they're going to be interested in a fly, or I may spook them, but it may be worth a try just to see if they're interested, at least in a fly. Let's see. Oh yeah, he is interested. Wow, that one didn't hesitate. He was like, hey, I'll take that. Holy cow. It's like he was looking for it. All right. Little bass. Right there. Oh yeah, there's a bass. There's a bass. Let's see if he's interested in a fly. There he goes. He was interested. He went for it right here at the feeder creek. Nice. All right. All right. Yeah, he went for it. All right, come on, come on. Just put a nice bend. Come on, little 3-weight hold up. All right, got him. Little near deer. Working it in the feeder creek. I saw him kind of chase at it, and I was letting the fly kind of bounce the bottom, and he went for it as it was bouncing on the bottom. So good stuff. Now let's see if I can get him released here. All right, not bad on the 3-weight. All right, that was good.